In this video, I will show you how to download and install Nessus Essential on Windows. Okay. So let's go to our lab. I have Windows 11. I need to install Nessus Essential on Windows 11. So what I can do first, I need to access this Windows 11. If you remember, I create a rule that allow management to win. So I have a rule. From here I can access this Windows 11. So what I need to do, I need to go to remote desktop, and here I need to type 100.0.1. so let's see I can access or not. There is a small change you need to do. You need to configure a route in your host machine to access this one. So it's not working, and that is to add a route. Okay, so this is the way I say route add. I want to go to 100.0.1 and mask is this one, and the gateway will be your firewall IP address. So in my case, the firewall IP address is 100.200. So let's open a terminal as an administrator and type this command route add. I want to go to 100.0.1, mask this one, go to 100.200. okay, and done. And they say the object is already there. In my case is already, it will be okay. Now I cannot access. Second thing is make sure that remote desktop is allowed. So right click on the computer and let's go to manage and make sure that remote desktop is allowed. Okay, sorry, not here. It's better go to properties, and from here remote setting. Yeah, it's not allowed. Allowed this one, apply, click OK, click close, and now I can access this device from 100.0.1 and hit enter. Password is test123 and click yes. Okay, so now I access this Windows 11 so that I can show you how to download and install Nessus Essential on Windows. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Let's come up. And internet access is already there. If you remember, we allowed internet from here to go through firewall too, so that we have internet access as well. And now here I will say let me copy the link, or you can search as well. So let me copy this link, right click and copy link location, and let's go to our Windows and search here, not now, and hit enter. So it will take you to the here Tenable Nessus, and I need for window. In last video I also show you how to download. 10.84 is the latest one, and click download and agree. Don't worry about the license we already get it, if you remember. Okay, when you download we need to click on this one to install. So it will take some time, and then it will show you here. Yeah, it's done. Go to this folder. Okay, and here is Nessus 10.84, the latest and updated. Click run. Okay, and it is a easy step, just next. Okay, click next, accept, click next. This is the default directory. Click next, click install. Okay, it will install in the default directory. C program file Tenable Nessus. Okay, it will take less time to install. It's so easy to install, and then you just need to click finish, and after that we need to configure it. So this is the way to download and install a Nessus Essential. Basically it will show you all the edition, but we are allowed to use Nessus Essential only. We get the key for that one. Okay, so we have the required activation code as well. And this is the way to download and install on Windows. Okay, and I don't need this one, so let me close this browser to make them ready. Okay, and let's go back to here. Yeah, it's finished. Okay, next it will open the window automatically, otherwise we can open it. The default port is 8834. Okay, so it will open so that we can configure it. So let's wait for a while. It will take some time, and then it will open a browser page automatically. Okay, yeah, it's open. Localhost is open with the localhost 8834. So connect with via SSL. Just click on this one and then click advanced and continue localhost. Okay, initially it will show you that error, but you just need to connect via SSL. Click on that one and then it will show you the error certificate error because we don't have a certificate. So just click advance and then continue to localhost unsafe. It's okay. And after that it will take some time and then it will welcome you. Okay, and then we need to start the process of installation. Okay, and we already have the activation code. Yeah, so it's come up. Just click continue and here I say the setup purchase instance of Nessus. No, the trial Nessus expert, we are not using the trial. We will do that in the next video. And this is the professional edition. We discussed 3 different edition: expert, professional. We are want to use this Nessus essential, which is free. Register for Nessus essential and click continue. Here I don't need to register. You can get the key directly here, but I already have, so I will skip this option. And let me go back to our notepad. We have the activation code. If I remember, these two we have, so let me use one of them here and let's go back and paste that code and click continue. So this is the license information. We get this code and now create username. So admin and admin at 12345. Okay, so this will be our lab password, admin 12345. You can give them anything and click submit. Okay, so after submit, the setup is completed. Okay, and it show you the license detail. Now it will the download the plugins and the plugin will take some time, and after that we can log into our Nessus essential. Okay, it will take you to the main login window. So let's wait for a while. It will take some time, so let me minimize this when it's done, and so I will come back to show you because it will take some time. So we utilize one key, keep in mind, and we have another one so that we can reuse them. Okay, so these are the steps. We download, then we click next, click run, then next, and then I accept the term and the license agreement, click next, next the location where to install, and after that finish. It will show you a warning like this: connect via SSL. Okay, and then click advanced, continue, and after that it will welcome to Nessus. After that we need to choose and register for Nessus essential, which is for lab purpose. Up to 16 IP you can utilize, and you can get another activation code and reuse again for 16 IP, which I told you. Skip this activation code. We already have the activation code. Skip this option and then put the activation code which we get in the previous video and click continue. Okay, and after that create a user account. For lab I use admin and admin 12345 to log into this system by this username and password, and then it will download the plugins. Okay, it will take some time to download all the required plugins. Okay, and finally then you can log in here. So let's go back. It's still downloading. It will take some time, so let me pause the video. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, so it's done and it will show you automatically the main window. So we have a scan setting, we have all scan, trash and resources, policies, plugin rules, and similarly we have import, new folder, new scan. However, new scan is disabled. The reason is we are logged in successfully. However, still you see it's in compiling plugin only 1%. So it's gonna take is depend on your resources, so it will take some time to complete. When it's 100% completed, then it will pop up a window and here you can scan. Either you can close that window and you can create a new scan from here, new scan from here. Is up to you. Okay, but still you see new folder is okay, but new scan is not available until it's completed. So it's only, you see, it's downloading the plugin and it will complete the process. So if I click here, it's 2%. So we need to wait for this one. So let me go back, and then after that you can click on this scan, and then it will show you all the template, whatever you like you can scan. So this is the way to download and install Nessus on Windows and how to activate.